And a good day, all of you. John Henderson, Pierre, the Beverage Rainbow, back again with you. Today, we're looking at Ghost Train's Switchman Stash IPL, or Indian Pale Lager. He gets a good score on Beer Advocate, 6.9% ABV. Ghost Train Brewery is based here in the state of Alabama. Birmingham is the city. I believe I've had one thing from Ghost Train. Maybe they're a lager. I have to look at my videos, or if some of you want to look at my videos, you can. Just kind of update me. 71.7 IBUs. So, Smith & Stash, water, blah, 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 lock period, crystal. And as they say, a feeling or taste of a West Coast style IPA. Now, that's what they say. We will see. West Coast IPAs, even as an Indian Pale Lager, tend to be more hop driven. New England style IPAs tend to definitely have the hops, but it has more of a fruitier flavor. So those are probably the difference, I would say, between New England style IPAs and West Coast style IPAs. This is not an IPA, this is an Indian Pale Lager. What is the difference? Is it hoppier? Is it more fruit based? Maybe there's a combination of more of both. Identical, the same, could be using more malts in this, possibly. Who knows? Like I say, who knows? So, here's what the beer looks like. Very, as you say, a lot of lacing, a lot of different foam up top. Very murky, very cloudy in the glass. So, definitely very hop oriented. Definitely very malts. Using cool temperatures and bound from any yeast, American hops that you would expect in your West Coast IPA. And that's what they're making the distinction is about this beer. So, all right, well, let's guzzle, shall we? Get the final shake, 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 shake. Shake, shake. Definitely, there is some fruit flavors I'm getting. Definitely getting the same citrus, grapefruit more. Grapefruit, a little lemon in this. This is nice. Switchman, but definitely a lot of grapefruit flavors in this. But it has a very nice finish and balance going to this. Man, it's not bad. I don't know. What is the reason IPLs don't seem to do well? I was looking at the Yuengling website. Yuengling had put out their IPL, I think maybe 4 years ago. Will be 5 years come 2020. But it was back in 2015. I tried the Yuengling Indian Pale Lager. For whatever reason, it just didn't really catch on with the beer drinkers, and I was just looking at the Yuengling website just not too long ago, and it just completely is not even there. So, they have their usual suspect with beers, their popular brands yearly, and they have their seasonal Oktoberfest and summer wheat. But I don't know. I'm just kind of perplexed by that they just didn't seem to, chose not to go that route, I don't know. But Indian Pale Lagers, I guess, to me, I think they're very enjoyable. Yes, it maybe is some feel of a little of an IPA, an Pale Ale. A little bit of some of the ingredients of an IPA, maybe an American Pale Ale, a lot of hops, a lot of flavors like this, but it does have its hop flavor. Some of its fruit flavors are in this. The citrus and the grapefruit as I was tasting, a little bit of that lemon, lime, more lime than lemon I'm getting in this, but it has a sour flavor, but overall a good Indian Pale Lager. So the brewery, as I mentioned, Ghost Train, based in Birmingham, again, Alabama. Again, if you see all my other videos about beers in Alabama, as I said, we're getting a very good reputation, whether it be from Ghost Train to Folklore and Dauphin to there's a brewery down in Gulf Shores, Alabama, name escapes me what it is, to the 3 breweries that are within my driving distance here in the Mobile area, from Fairhope Brewery, of course, across the bay, to Haint Blue, to Serta, and I think there are 3 other breweries. The name escapes me right now. Shame on me for not knowing that. But again, the list of names of breweries in the state: Back 40, Good People, Straight to Ale, Avondale, Yellowhammer, Blue Pants, all of them fantastic breweries, all of them are putting out exceptional beers that are worth the money. Maybe a little high for buying on the 6-pack, but when you try them and you see, it is worth buying. So, shout out to the state of Alabama. Even though I have my issue with you, I live in the state, yes, and your liquor prices are a little bit. We could talk about that later. But Montgomery trying to get into the pockets of the working people, but I digress. So, yeah, this is good. I'm going to go the same score. Very good. Make good. So, this will be an 8.3, 8.4. So, good for the Switchman Stash. Maybe mustache, maybe, I guess. The working man. Indian Pale Lager, very good. So that is a score an 8.3, 8.4. Good. By friends at Ghost Train Brewing Company. John Henderson Pierre, the beverage rival. So keep on watching always. Cheers. Live, laugh, and love. Switchman, Switchman. Go Coast train. Choo, 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 choo.